Hey guys, it's Sherman. I'm one of the techs here at video1repair.com. I'm working on a Sony A7S Mark II camera that was sent in by a church that uses the camera's HDMI port to stream their videos. The customer said that the port feels loose and the signal is flaky, causing the camera to lose connection. In most cases, this is caused by a bad micro HDMI port, and the port most likely will need to be replaced. I'm going to open up the camera and inspect the port and associated circuits. Looking at the HDMI port, I could definitely see that the port looks very worn and needs to be replaced. The HDMI port is located on the main circuit board. I'm going to use specialized soldering methods to replace just the port without having to replace the entire main board. I've replaced the micro HDMI port. It's now time to complete the repairs and servicing and put the camera back together. As you can see, the HDMI port is working perfectly now. If you have any questions about having the micro HDMI port on your Sony A7SM2 camera replaced, please give us a call or visit our website at video1repair.com.